just got our food and we were a little skeptical.
It's good.
It's pretty good. What did you say earlier?
It's like Taco Bell if Taco Bell was good.
Right, so we're in Koh Tao. We're playing mini golf right now, me and Tamara. We're playing this thing called Goofy Golf too, where you have to spin this wheel and you do something funny. So she just got handyman putt. Use only your hand to hit the ball on your first shot. So Tamara's got to use her hand to hit that ball across the Manhattan Bridge. Here she goes. All right, give her a nice one.
Nope.
Oh, almost.
So LA got the snooker meat, which is play your first shot using your putter like a snooker cue.
Oh, there's so many ants on here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Yeah, but still, you got it on there.
We are about to play soccer pool. That's right. I've never seen this, I've never heard of it, but it looks really fun. So here we go.
Do it. That was not effective, and I'm probably gonna scratch. No. Oh yeah.